Let's face it, you know. We heard the preacher say it, so it must be true, so we'll use that. We need to think about it ourselves. We need to study. We need to read and pray about it. Make sure that we're using God's Word, because it is a double-edged sword. As we sing the invitation song this morning, be mindful of all that, and you know, just come before God and say, you know, that's the great thing about being a Christian, is that we can always turn. We got free will. We can always say, God, please forgive me. Help me, guide me in the right direction. Let's do that as we stand and sing. Number 380. Just as I